Our childhood was quite different to our children. When we were kids, we used to spend hours playing out in the open. But now, often children spend more time on indoor activities like computers, video games, and iPads. That's why I believe it's important to plan outdoor activities for our children so they stay physically fit and healthy. In this episode, watch Zen's fitness fun. Some tantrums.
The good boy.
Our daily routine. My marathon run. And some chats with close friends. After school and lunch, I let Zen nap for a couple of hours so that he relaxes a bit and is fresh for playtime in the evening. Did you have a good nap? So this is cranky time. Zen's just woken up and he's going to have his milk before baby Kai wakes up. A few days a week, he has a gym class. But things don't always go according to plan. Okay, let me just put this. Let me just put this in the cup. One second. Yeah, yummy milk. Yummy. Okay, then you're not going to go down to play. No gym class for Zen. Do you want donuts? Zen!
I'm the good boy.
You are a good boy. If you drink your milk, you're a good boy. Come on.
No.
Come on. Please. Last, come on. I don't know why they make a fuss and then they end up enjoying it, so it's just a process.
And I drink a milk, and you go down there, and you have a bath.
Very good. Yes, that's what's going to happen now. Woken up, having his milk, going to go down, and then we'll come up and have a bath. Kai is napping and Zen is ready for some playtime.
Ready, Nasha? Chalo, you have to do 3 rounds.
Every mother wants her children to be healthy and fit. That's why we enroll Zen for this gym class. This gym class is held in the garden of our building and the children really have fun at class.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Playing outdoors costs nothing, but it has countless benefits. So we must always give children the chance to go outside and play.
Kids are really enjoying in this class.
Yeah.
They do lots of flexibility like stretching exercise, running activity we do. And we do lots of mat work also like somersault, cartwheel.
And what's nice is I've noticed you don't force them. Like for example, Zen doesn't like doing somersaults.
Absolutely.
He doesn't have to do
Yes,
it.
I don't like to force anybody, because the confidence level will go down. We are going to push him. So
I watch from upstairs sometimes and it's so funny also watching each of their styles and they're so little that they're all developing. But it's a great thing. Well done. Obviously, after so much play, the kids get hungry too. That's why our help Lizzie is making something yummy for the kids. I am a hopeless cook, as I admit. So every episode, I'm going to try and learn something to feed the kids. So Lizzie is a great cook and she knows exactly what Zen likes. So what are you making today, Lizzie?
Zen and Kai eating carrot and chicken.
Here's a recipe for a balanced, high-protein, yummy meal for kids. First, heat some olive oil in a pan and saute some onions. Then add garlic, tomato and carrots. If you are non-vegetarian, you can add some chicken, and if not, you can add different kinds of vegetables. If you are feeding really small kids, add some rice and blend it together. If the child is a little older, then you can serve the sauteed vegetables and chicken with chapati or rice. Nutritious meals are very important for children. You can use the same ingredients to make different meals for both babies and older kids, keeping in mind their tastes and age. Kai Kai is still too young to fully participate, but he comes to cheer Zen on at his gym club. I've noticed that younger children pick up things quite quickly and easily from their older siblings. At Zen's gym class, they teach children about flexibility and body movements. At the same time, it's also a great chance to make new friends. I've seen Zen opening up in this class. After so much work, they deserve a treat, a sweet treat sometimes. And also some sweet moments that you would like to capture and keep with you forever. Siblings share a lot of love, some fights and some bittersweet moments. All of these become fond memories and stay with you forever. My co-star and friend John Abraham shared with us some of his memories.
मैं बहुत ही mischievous था और मुझे याद है मेरे टीचर्स मुझे कहते थे कि don't be a naughty boy because you lose plus points for your brother क्योंकि मेरा भाई जो था बहुत ज़्यादा studious था and I had to be a really good boy for him.
Coming up is the importance of a daily routine. My fitness tips. Marathon run. And some special conversation. Every day, new people join us on social media and share their questions, suggestions, and comments. We'd love yours too, so do join in. Let's see what our question is today. Many people ask me how I am in shape after 2 babies and what the secret to my fitness is. I just want to say that this is not some overnight magic. I have been a fitness freak since I was in school. I don't diet, I eat everything in moderation, and regular exercise over several years has given me a high metabolic rate. I take at least 20 minutes out of my daily schedule every day to run or do yoga, because exercise in some form or the other is very important for you.
According to me, I think every mom has to be super mom because there's so much that she does. And I really think that if you are not fit mentally and physically, you will not be able to have fun with your kids. So the thing is, you better be fit in mind and body, and you will then be able to, nurture your kids the way you want to, and they will remember you for the rest of their lives. My mom was so cool.
Exercise helps us get through a hectic day. And as mothers, we have to do a lot of multitasking. So no excuses, stay fit. It's important to set routine in children's life. This is exactly what child psychologist Dr. Zirak Marker told me.
If you, for example, if you say, okay, watch TV anytime you want, have breakfast whenever you want, have lunch whenever you want, पूरा biological system भी बिगड़ जाएगा. Children also have a circadian rhythm that's developing like a biological clock. So that's why, it is studied and clearly indicated that children who sleep at a specific time, wake up at a specific time, eat at a specific time, not only is it healthy for them behaviorally, emotionally and psychologically, but medically also. Because nutrition is important, what they eat at the right time is important. So ये structure, routine बनाना बहुत important है. And say if you have a difficult kid or ADHD, which is your attention deficit hyperactive disorder, or some other kind of issues with the child, again, part and parcel of the treatment is sticking to a structure and a routine.
There may be differences in our parenting styles, but following a routine is very important in children's lives. After playing, it is now bath time. Bath time is a special time for Zen and Kai.
Oh, come on. Zen knows how to take off his clothes. Okay.
Bath time can be made great fun. Both my children love having a bath together and splashing about. And Kai hates being taken out first.
Oh, bubbly, sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm coming then. I'm coming, okay? Hey!
Now it's dinner time for the kids.
We have to dry their hair. I'm very particular that it shouldn't be wet. This is something my dad always insisted, that we didn't have wet hair. So you can get a cold.
Don't you think I think?
kiss. Yummy.
And now it's special time for the kids because their daddy Rupak is back from work. The children wait anxiously for this. This is when the whole family is together.
Daddy time, okay, bye. Oh,
Rupak always tries, if possible, to come home before the kids' bedtime so he can spend some quality time with the kids.
Yay!
Cuddle time is the most special part of our daily routine. Before going to sleep, the four of us have what we call special cuddly time, where we play and relax, read a bedtime story, or sometimes even watch a little TV together in our room. The entire day's exhaustion just seems to vanish then.
Cuddy, and then we go. But now you can say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Although I am connected to the glamour world, we want to give our kids a grounded life. We want our children to be able to face every situation and challenge that life throws at them and be able to understand all human beings. This is what our parents taught us when we were young, and we want our children to grow up with these values too. Discipline and fitness too are part of these values. Everybody wants what's best for baby. Today we're going to talk about moisturizers. A baby's skin is 3 times more delicate than our skin. It loses its moisture very easily. So they often develop skin problems. And this can hamper the development of their skin.
Actually, both my children have very dry skin problem. So they kind of had eczema when they were born.
Imagine a plant that is constantly being damaged. It will never become a healthy tree. When a baby grows a little older, moves out of its mother's arms and starts crawling, there is the fear of his skin becoming harmed. Your child is ready to leave your arms and crawl around on his hands and knees. But his skin is not ready, because his skin has not yet fully developed. For your child's skin to develop well, it is extremely necessary to keep it moisturized. This means you have to moisturize your child's skin every day.
तो मुझे लगता है कि मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर बच्चे स्क्रैच करते रहते हैं सारा टाइम वरना अपने बदन पे एंड उनको कहीं कहीं रैश हो जाता है, खून निकलता है, तो इसलिए हम तो रोज़ ही मॉइस्चराइज़ करते हैं अपने बच्चों को दिन में 2 बार ही, सुबह एंड शाम को.
Johnson's Baby Lotion has a moisture restore formula. This helps restore the body's lost moisture and helps them develop healthy skin. Johnson's Baby Cream creates a layer of moisture on a child's exposed body parts, like their knees and elbows. This becomes a shield for the child's skin, so that the child can stay secure even after leaving his mother's arms. Coming up is the magic of the Mumbai Marathon. The passion of running together and chats with some very special people. I believe, as far as possible, it is very important to set the right example for our kids, because children absorb so much from us parents. As parents, we try to give them good values, a good education, and good health. But what about fitness? That's extremely important too. So I believe if we as parents stay fit, then our children learn the value of fitness from us too. I have always emphasized the need for fitness. My children have always been exposed to this side of me.
Namaste. Namaste, Mama.
We must teach our children the importance of these things right from the very beginning, by example. And if running is connected to a social cause, then there's no thinking twice. That's why I have always participated in the Mumbai Marathon.
It's 7 o'clock and we're on our way for the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon 2013. मैं तो हर साल दौड़ती हूँ पिछले 10 साल से. ये 10वीं साल है और it's an incredible event. The whole city comes together as one.
The marathon has thousands of people coming together with great energy and unity. It's not just a sports event, but also a platform to run for and raise money for causes that are close to your heart.
इस साल मैं CPA कैंसर पेशेंट्स एड एसोसिएशन मुक्तांगन और कंसर्न इंडिया के लिए भाग रही हूँ.
The marathon is one way. There are other ways to support social causes too. You can decide which method you want to use depending on your skills and capacity. I met several friends at this event who, like me, were supporting causes that were close to their hearts by running the marathon.
And you're running for?
I'm running for IMC, which is for the Jaipur Foot Foundation, and give prosthetic limbs for the underprivileged to allow them to walk and run again with pride and dignity.
Amazing. He's a very, very avid runner, runs the marathon every year and always for Nanhi Kali, which is an amazing organization. Anand, please tell us a bit about it.
Well, really, it's about putting education for girl children at the forefront. And what we do really is to try and not just fund children ourselves, but encourage others to fund underprivileged girl children.
In this supercharged crowd, it was quite difficult even getting to the start line.
मुझे बात पता है कि वो पागलों की तरह भागती है हॉर्स ट्रैक पे, लाइक द हॉर्सेस शी रन्स ऑन द रेस ट्रैक, एंड वो हमेशा से इतनी पतली थी और मतलब अभी भी मैं उसको देखती हूँ, नथिंग्स चेंज.
This is one event where no one is big or small, special or ordinary. Everyone is running with just one purpose in mind, together and as equals.
Tara किसी घोड़े को भी सुला सकती है. She runs that much. So keep running, Tara. Good luck.
I am most inspired by senior citizens who have participated in this event, who have proved that age is just a number. What you need is passion. To cheer the spirit of the runners, Mumbai came out on the streets.
So I did the dream run in 30 minutes. Running for Muktangan, Concern India and Cancer Patients Aid Association. Very tired. It was a great run. Good run.
This too was a memorable experience. As a parent, I believe that charity starts with the heart. Then, whether it's an event, our neighborhood, our home, or our locality, we can only teach our children by taking the first step ourselves. I also had a chat with famous singer Shan, who is attached to this event and is also a parent.
तो शान कहिए, आप कैसे डैड हैं?
मैं कैसा डैड हूँ मेरे बच्चों से ही पूछना होगा, लेकिन मुझे डैड होने में बहुत फ़ख्र है, बहुत मज़ा आता है. बच्चों के साथ वक्त बिताता हूँ तो सचमुच मतलब बच्चा ही बन जाता हूँ उनके साथ. और हम लोग चाहे फुटबॉल कंपटीशन हो या फिर अभी आजकल उनको काफ़ी फुटबॉल का चस्का है, शौक़ है, तो उनको फुटबॉल खेलने ले जाना या फिर WWE की डिस्कशंस होती हैं तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों को हम जितना इनोसेंट रखें, बच्चों को जितना हम बचपन से जुड़ कर रखें, उतना उनके लिए भी अच्छा है और हमारे लिए भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि फिर हम उनके ज़रिए हम भी बच्चे हो जाते हैं, हमें भी थोड़ा बहुत बचपना करने का एक मौका मिलता है. और तो लगता है कि एक साथ ही बड़े हो रहे हैं.
And what kind of mom is Radhika? Is she strict?
She's hands-on. She's fantastic. No, she's not strict. At the same time, she's stern. She knows how to, get away with the kids, get her way with the kids, and get away with being mom with the kids also. So she's good. She, of course, she's been wonderful, very active with the children.
You're raising money for a cause for the marathon. I heard you speaking amazingly about the cause. Is there a message you have for young kids in terms of a cause that you'd like to spread awareness?
Yeah, talking to young kids, I'm always in two minds whether I should mention it or not, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि ये आप आइडिया दे रहे हैं किसी बच्चे के दिमाग में. लेकिन even so, मैं ये बात ज़रूर कहूँगा कि हमारे जो आंकड़े बता रहे हैं, जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स बता रहे हैं, वो काफ़ी सारे बच्चे 13, 14, 15 साल के बच्चे जो शायद अपने दोस्तों के प्रेशर में आके या फिर कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि ये कूल है या ये ट्राई करना चाहिए, या चूँकि सब बोल रहे हैं मत करो हम भी करेंगे, तो कई बच्चे टबैको के वेरियस जो अलग अलग पदार्थ हैं, चाहे सिगरेट हो, चाहे तंबाकू हो, चाहे खैनी, मावा, गुटखा, इन चीज़ों से इन चीज़ों की लत उनको लग रही हैं और उनको फ़िलहाल तो मजाक या मस्ती लग रही है, लग रहा है कि मैं बड़ा हीरो बन गया हूँ, लेकिन इसका आगे बहुत ज़्यादा हानिकारक इसके रिज़ल्ट्स होते हैं। आप इन सारी जहरीली चीज़ों से दूर रहो, ज़िंदगी को एंजॉय करो, खेलो कूदो, पढ़ाई करो और अपने सपने साकार करो, लेकिन तंबाकू से दूर रहना। हमारा एक लाइन भी है कि सिगरेट तंबाकू मतलब खल्ला से, हाँ डेफिनेटली। मस्ती में जी ले घूंट लाइफ के पी ले, डर डर के जीना तो है बेकार, पर लाइफ से पंगा मत ले यार, लाइफ से पंगा मत ले यार।
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much.
Shan was right. When you're with children, you get the chance to enjoy the joys of childhood yourself. I always say that you learn from your kids as much as you teach them. Because to compete with their energy levels, we need to be both physically and mentally active. As parents, we should always make an extra effort to make sure that we remain fit and keep our children fit too. And most importantly, use ourselves as an example to teach our children the right lessons in life.
We are in the French Riviera in one of the most glamorous cities of the world, Cannes.
In the next episode, we take a trip to the south of France, Cannes.
This is the famous red carpet.
So with 2 children, double the fun.
Look here.
This is the famous cheese shop. You want more?
Double the adventure. Double the chaos.